What's the going ons, everybody? We are out at the range today with the all-new Axor Arms FMP pump action 12 gauge. Yes, that's right. FMP stands for folding magazine fed pump action. Wow. Let's check this thing out. The options on this are endless. First of all, the pump is assisted. So literally, you can just let it go and she reloads. It's called assisted pump action. Really nice. Next up, we see it has a extendable buttstock. Bunch of different options there. Really, really nice. Got a little shell holder back here, as well as a place for a strap. Yes, this thing does fold. Check this thing out. Wow. Wow, that gets compact, doesn't it? Very nice. And when it's folded, you can push the pump back. You can see the bolt right there, firing pin, chamber, all accessible. You can see the hammer assembly in there. How amazing is that? Just wow. That's special, isn't it? Very good quality. It's not cheap at all. It's made out of aluminum. Good quality aluminum too. There's a nice fiber optic sight on the front. Good pump grip. I'm really impressed. Safety down here in the trigger guard. Magazine release on the left side there. Show you the mags in a minute. And check this out. With a push of a button here, the stock comes off. Wow. How's that for cool? All right, let's just put the stock back on. All right, and yes, I've got to show you something else. First of all, it does come with 10-round stick magazines. Okay, if that wasn't good enough, 20-round proprietary drum magazine. These don't need to be pinned here in Canada because this is a manual action firearm, meaning not semi-automatic. So there is no magazine restrictions for manual action firearms here. If that wasn't good enough, how about 30 rounds of 12 gauge? Wow. Now that is special. There is a little wheel here to help you when loading. Put that back in there if you can. Alright, there it is. 30 rounds, guys. Alright, it does have a nice rubber recoil pad on here. Really nice piece of hardware all around. Again, the Axor Arms FMP folding magazine pump. Excellent pistol grip back here. Just pull back on this little piece here. It folds like I showed you. This does have a 12-inch barrel. Really, really nice piece of hardware. Folks, we're just gonna let this thing rip. We got 30 rounds, 20 rounds, and 5 rounds. We'll see if all the magazines function. Let's just have some fun. All right, starting off, here we go. Wow. That was 5 rounds out of that 10-rounder. See if we can't get this thing to work. All right. Might have to use this. There we go. We are hot. 20 rounds. Let's see how fast we can do this. All right, and we got a jam. That's my fault. Let's see if we can clear it. Nope, not gonna do that. We're gonna do this. Nope. Clear. Just got a few more rounds. All right, that was the 20-rounder. Yeah, this thing's brand new, hasn't been broken in yet. Still haven't gotten the bugs out of it. But man, once this thing's broken in, this is gonna be awesome. All right, folks. Last but not least, here we go. This is what you're all waiting for. 30 rounds of 12 gauge. in a assisted pump action shotgun. Oh yeah, here we go. Just gotta pull the pump back for this. There we go, clicks in. Are you ready? Shoulder abuse 101. Here we go. Wow, my hand's getting sweaty. And we are clear. Folks, the all-new Axor Arms FMP folding 12-gauge shotgun. Guys, the options are endless. The coolest 12-gauge shotgun here in Canada. Proprietary 30-round 12-gauge magazine. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless Canada. God keep our land glorious and free.